The spy drone has made contact. I can't look at this anymore. Thank you.
Listen up, men. Paper airplane design is a team sport, so I want every single one of you to participate in staying out of Slab's way and letting him win.
Well, hello there, fellow airplane enthusiast. We would like to lure you into the attic to show you our latest design.
Who are you?
Why, we're Wilbur and Orville, the Wright brothers.
Never heard of you. Though you do look like brothers.
We invented the airplane.
Not ringing any bells.
You're a nerd on the engineering team. How is it that you've never read about us?
I'm newly nerdy.
Well, ask that homely girl. She must spend a lot of time alone in the library. You know who we are, don't you?
Nuh-uh. And I don't have time for this. I'm looking for Mr. Wright.
I'm Mr. Wright. He's Mr. Wright. We're the Wright brothers. We discovered that the aerodynamic principles of lift and drag could make human flight possible so long as one controls the three primary axes: the roll, the pitch, and the yaw. That'll do.
How did we get to the attic?
Someone must have put us in here.
I can't believe those two nice gentlemen in old-fashioned clothes didn't try to stop them.